This is how you treat adhesion around the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve is the thickest nerve in the human body. It's about as thick as my index finger. The research says it's about 1.5 centimeters wide. People don't realize it's that thick. So it's very obvious to feel in the body. I put my thumb down right in this area between the greater trochanter and the sacrum, and I found it. A lot of people often think that anytime they have sciatica or butt symptoms, it's coming from the disc, which it can be, but also the sciatic nerve can be stuck anywhere along its course. It comes out underneath the piriformis, which is right here, and it goes down the butt, goes down the hamstring. Right about here, it turns into the tibial nerve and the common peroneal nerves. The tibial nerve goes down the calf, and the common peroneal nerve goes down the front of the shin. And when it's stuck here, this is one of the most common areas that the sciatic nerve can be stuck. When I push on the nerve, it should move a good amount. His nerve is very healthy right here. So I can move the nerve, and it's probably going 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and it's flexible, it's not stuck. But when I get down into this area, I go to bow the nerve and move it, it's not moving, it's stuck. There's a piece of adhesion right here. Adhesion is gluey like fascia that forms from overuse where there's restricted blood flow. And when I go to push that nerve, it's stuck, it's not moving. It should move over the tissue. Right there, it's not. And when it's not, it's gonna protect the body. At first it's going to start with tightness, but then it can lead to dullness or aching or pain anywhere along the course of the sciatic nerve. Because when you restrict a nerve from lengthening over 6%, you start to lose blood flow. Over 12%, you completely lose blood flow. So the body will protect that. And one of the ways it does is by laying down adhesion. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick my finger in here, right where I feel the adhesion and where the nerve's not moving. I'm going to keep my thumb really soft right next to the sciatic nerve, and then I'm in the fascial glue, the adhesion. It's like spider webbing here. And then I'm going to keep this thumb soft. I'm going to use my body to sink into this tissue, and I'm in the adhesion right now, and now I'm going to create tension on it, like I'm pulling apart a wad of gum, and I'm leaning my body. Go ahead, Kate. And Kate's going to start to stretch and lengthen the sciatic nerve as I'm tensioning and moving the opposite way. The sciatic nerve's going towards Chris's foot, and I'm going towards his sacrum. And there's tons and tons of tension. It's tearing, it's tearing, it's tearing. Good. And then when I go, and that felt really good, and often spots where they have adhesion can be sore and tender. Not every spot that's sore and tender is adhesion. It can be hypertonic, trigger pointy tissue, or it could be a swollen nerve. This spot was adhesion. And then when I go and repalpate the nerve, now it's moving. There's still some stuff in there, but it's probably 75% better. And that's how you treat adhesion around the sciatic nerve. Boom.